What is MedPay? Before we dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I will make sure that you understand how to protect your personal injury case and your future injury. I do not want to represent you unless I have to. I really hate having to hear the horrible stories from my clients where they were hurt and not at fault. It makes me so sad to hear it. It's why I do what I do, because it makes me so happy to hold people accountable for putting you through something that you shouldn't be going through. That's what my page is dedicated to. So hit that subscribe button, follow along, reach out to me if you ever have any questions about your specific situation. So diving into it a little bit, this is a relatively shorter video. What is MedPay? MedPay is a part of typically premises cases where you get hurt on somebody's property, and in their insurance, they have something called MedPay to specifically pay the exact dollar for dollar amount of your medical bills. Why is this important? It's important because if you want to get treatment after you got hurt, let's say that you were in a Macy's and you tripped on a rack that should not have been in the aisle and you break your leg, you can comfortably go get the treatment you need because there is an amount of money on Macy's insurance policy specifically allocated for claims just like yours, where you will get your medical bills paid. This is a separate thing from your personal injury case. What Macy's hopes you do is you don't contact a personal injury lawyer like myself, and you don't make a claim for your personal injury damages in addition to your MedPay. So don't let them convince you that MedPay and your medical bills is all you're gonna get, because you are entitled to more than that. But MedPay is a really important thing to understand. Typically, either commercial or home policies have at least $15,000 set aside for a claim for medical bills that you have from an injury on someone's property. This is important because it means that you can comfortably get treatment. It means that you can comfortably know that your bills are getting paid for, even if you don't have insurance. So, MedPay, it is something that comes out of the other person's insurance policy. It is specifically allocated for your medical bills, and it is important to understand because it is completely separate from your personal injury case. Short video, don't have much more to say about it. It's important to understand, but if you ever have any questions, I really hope that you don't get hurt on a premises or some sort of slip or trip and fall. If you ever do, click that link below where you can have a free case evaluation with someone like myself or another member of my team. Hit that subscribe button, follow along where we're gonna go into deep detail to make sure you protect your personal injury case. Thanks so much.